Hi everyone, my name is Leo Locher and I wanted to deepen some of the concepts of my new book, The DIY Phoenix, How to Get Out of the Ashes, Mend Your Wings and Start Flying Again. This is all about how to keep you going through messy times of change. One of the things I talk about in the book is to track and celebrate milestones. Now you might say, oh, you know what, like the way things are going, I don't even know where to start, there's literally nothing to celebrate. Hang on a second, so let's see what we could possibly track. So how alive does your life currently feel? Pick, for example, a scale of 1 to 10. Let's see, so aliveness could mean things like, is it unscripted, is it serendipitous, delightful surprises, people we meet, new stuff we come along that makes us think, all those sorts of things. Some of this might have gotten a little bit harder with lockdown, with things opening, maybe not opening, maybe opening differently or shutting down again, depending on where you are right now. I know it's all a bit in flux, to say the least, but find what's possible, honestly. Like, even if it's just going to a different supermarket if you can, you know, trying out, I don't know, I found the most amazing Korean herbal teas during lockdown 1 because there was a Korean supermarket that I got to explore really well during the first lockdown. So do that, try and find all those little things you can celebrate. Maybe you realize that you've never actually listened to Beethoven's Ninth Symphony from start to finish and you thought that that's a good cultural hole to plug. Or maybe you find that you don't know what the hokey cokey means that everybody always refers to. Sorry, it's super embarrassing. That's my example. And then I googled it and I watched it and I'm like, oh my god. But anyways, it made me laugh. It made me laugh, and it's fine. You know, I think we all need those little things. So, how alive does your life feel on a scale of 1 to 10? And what are the things you can do to bump it up a notch? And then just do one of those, and the next day do another one, and then over time see if it starts feeling a little bit more alive. Do what you can. Look after yourself.